Kia ora guys, welcome back to the channel. This time we are finally back out on the tracks. Lockdown is over, we're at level 2. Finally take the trucks out for a play. Now in the last video you might have remembered me saying this. As soon as the lockdown's over I will be back out in this truck. It has been a while since I've had this thing out, especially on the channel. But unfortunately the day before lockdown was over, had some problems with my truck. Ring and pinion blew, so quickly had to sort out the river truck, got it all sorted. Didn't trailer it, so you'll notice it's got an A-frame on it rather than a bull bar. So we'll have to change that over shortly because it doesn't look quite right, but there we go. So we're all aired down with a good group of people and we're down here in the Waimak river just by West Melton. We're going to go see what we can find. So yeah, let's hit the tracks and get into it. Right, into it. Oh, it's so good having no doors sometimes. Right guys, well we've only been driving like 2 minutes and you can already see the smile on my face. Man, I've missed being out on the tracks, and far out. That thing is just so much fun. I just came across a crossing but everyone else has stopped for some reason, so we'll just wait and see what the story is, wait for them to come across and we'll continue on. Far out, it's good to be back. I can't wait to give this truck a proper shakedown because it has been such a long time since we've had it out, and the only 2 times we've had it out, it's both been we've been taking it pretty gentle, whereas today I want to test it, see what it can do. Alright guys, well we've come to the first obstacle where the track's been washed away, so I'll see if I can get down, but we might do some spade work first. But as you can see, it's a pretty decent sized drop off. Anyway, we'll grab a spade and do some digging. Right, left, left, left. Far out, that was fun. That was awesome. Alright guys, well we've done some digging, a bit more digging after I went down and kind of flattened it out first. So yeah, cam's down next in the Prado. Should be pretty smooth now. It's getting chewed out already. Yeah. me, but more berries. Right.
Absolutely.
No. There we go. What hill? What a wheel lift! Go! He's got a stand, don't they? Not even bad!
No, this way. Easier than the other way.
Alright guys, well we just had lunch. Unfortunately, noticed like last trip, gone and ripped another shock open, so I'll have no shock absorber for the rest of the trip, which sucks, but you know, it is what it is. I think I'll have to look at some sort of limit strap because it just keeps tearing shock eyes off, so we'll look into it when we're back, but can't wait to continue the trip from here. It should get a little harder hopefully, test this thing out a bit more, but man, I'm loving it. So good to be back. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright guys, well we're down at the intake. Well the actual intake crossing's up there, but they've put a gate across. So we're going to try sneak around. There's a track that goes through just up over there, which we have to try, and that shouldn't be bad, but we just have to see what's on the other side of the track, because last time the main stream of the river was running through. So we'll go have a look at that. That could be a bit entertaining, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Well guys, alright, that was super easy today. That can normally be a little more of a challenge, but the real question is what's up ahead at the end of this track, because usually I've had to turn around, but hopefully with the river running low and all that, we might be able to make it through. Who knows? We'll go and have a look. Yep. Another failed attempt. That is a lot of water. In fact, we're going to see some jet boats come past. That's a little bit of a fail, but I think I saw a track we might be able to sneak around. We'll wait for the jet boats, eh? Guys, I'm gutted I missed that on video. Far out, we just drove out this. It's pretty much vertical climb out. Just had to give it everything, but far out, that was sweet. Anyway, I'm gonna grab a rope out just in case the next people don't quite have such a successful run as me. Rope! Just inch back a little more, yeah, go from there. You want a tow? Luke wanted to see if he could drive out, so he's turning around and he's going to give it a crack. Crazy what just crossing one of the main streams. Yeah. That is a big long crossing. Get on the bloomin'. Oh. Right. Far out, guys. That was insane. That was really deep. I don't know how much you can see from the video because I haven't seen the video yet, but I had water coming right through the cabin. I got a very wet bottom. Seats are soaked, but we made it. That's what matters. The truck's coughing and spluttering a bit, but we're gonna go shoot up the gravel road a wee way up the river so we can have an explore further up the river, so hopefully it'll dry out in that time and we'll be away laughing. Alrighty guys, well that's it for another episode, and what a great day. It's so good to be back out in the truck. Didn't really get to push the truck, but certainly got to prove itself. Definitely the hardest stuff it's been in yet, and I mean it's got wet seats, so that's got to be a record for me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. It's looking like the other disco will be back on the road pretty shortly. We've got some awesome trips planned. We're going over the west coast hopefully very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, it's been awesome. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I have. Till then, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers guys, see ya.